Welcome to our channel. Are you fascinated by the world of digital currencies but not sure where to start gathering information? Cryptocurrencies are transforming the financial landscape, offering a refreshing, decentralized alternative to traditional currencies. With thousands of digital currencies out there, it's crucial to know where to find reliable, comprehensive information. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your understanding, this video is for you. Let's dive in. First on our list are cryptocurrency news websites. These hubs of information are your go-to resource for the latest and greatest happenings in the crypto universe. Popular platforms such as CoinDesk, Cointelegraph, and CryptoSlate provide a constant stream of updates on market trends, breaking news, and technological advancements. They offer in-depth articles, expert opinions, and comprehensive guides, making them an essential tool in your cryptocurrency knowledge arsenal. Sites like these are fantastic for staying up to date with the latest news, market trends, and technological advancements in the crypto world. Online forums and communities, such as Reddit's r/cryptocurrency and Bitcoin Talk, offer a wealth of knowledge. These digital meeting places are buzzing with lively discussions about the latest trends, investment strategies, and much more. They provide a unique opportunity to learn from the collective wisdom of others who share your interest. The key to success in these forums is to listen, learn, and engage respectfully. Remember, everyone started somewhere. These platforms allow you to engage with other crypto enthusiasts, share insights, and ask questions. For structured learning, educational websites and online courses are invaluable. They provide a step-by-step approach to understanding the complex world of digital currencies. Imagine having a personal tutor who guides you through the intricacies of blockchain technology and the nuances of different cryptocurrencies. That's what you get with platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Khan Academy. They offer comprehensive courses taught by industry experts. Platforms like these offer courses on blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies taught by industry experts. The world of digital currencies is vast and constantly evolving. We've journeyed through the top resources to kickstart or deepen your understanding of cryptocurrencies. Remember, reliable news websites like CoinDesk and Cointelegraph are your go-to for the latest happenings. Forums and online communities such as Reddit's r/cryptocurrency and Bitcoin Talk are a treasure trove of shared insights and discussions. For a more structured approach, educational platforms like Coursera and Khan Academy offer comprehensive courses taught by experts. Don't overlook the importance of official cryptocurrency websites and their white papers for in-depth knowledge of specific digital currencies. And let's not forget the wealth of insights available on social media and YouTube channels. By utilizing these resources, you can stay informed, make educated decisions, and potentially even find opportunities in the crypto space. Thank you for watching our guide on where to find general information about cryptocurrencies. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. Have questions or want more detailed topics covered? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, happy exploring.